So, hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Let's be honest, you can usually tell when text was written by AI. It's basically obvious. The phrasing is stiff, the word choices are predictable, and it just doesn't sound like a real person talking. This is often called AI sub. But here's the thing. Gemini has its own natural conversational style. Research shows that Gemini tend to use simpler, more accessible language, preferring words like sugar over glucose, and avoiding overly clinical terms. The problem isn't Gemini itself, it's how we prompt it. In this guide, I will show you how to get genuinely human sounding text from Gemini using techniques like system prompts, style guides, and a special display skill. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, understand what makes text sound human. According to linguistic research, Gemini's natural style is already more conversational than many other AI. It leans toward simple everyday words instead of technical jargon, explanatory phrases rather than clinical description, a natural flow that doesn't sound rehearsed. So the trick is to stop fighting Gemini's natural tendencies and start working with them. Or you can use the display scale for Gemini CLA. It's basically designed specifically to remove common AI traps and makes them basically sound more genuine. To install it, go through the Gemini scales, install on github.com/clay/this/this/lop5 or this/lop5. Anyway, then you can reload your scales. Once loaded, you can use commands like URL, naturalize this draft or past text, remove the AI, stop from my document or something like this. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching this. See you all in the next video.